Welcome to How, What, Why. What if you could train your brain to feel joy, no matter what's going on in your life, even in the middle of stress or uncertainty? The secret might be something surprisingly simple: gratitude. And the way it rewires your brain is backed by science. Research shows that just 2 weeks of daily gratitude can begin to rewire your brain's emotional center. And in this video, you'll learn a simple, science-backed technique to foster gratitude and create your own gratitude loop. Most of us wait for happiness. We think we'll feel joy when we get the job, the car, the house. People often think, when I get the right job, then I'll be happy. When I get a nicer car, then I'll be happy. When I get a bigger house, then I'll be happy. When I retire, then I'll finally be happy. But by constantly chasing the next big thing, we train our brain to delay happiness. Sometimes for so long we forget how to feel happy. Right now, it's like running on a treadmill that keeps speeding up but never gets us to joy. Gratitude isn't just a nice idea. It's a powerful tool for improving mental health and well-being. Scientific research from UCLA and Harvard shows that practicing gratitude regularly activates the brain's reward system, boosting dopamine and serotonin, the feel-good chemicals that shape your mood. These chemicals don't just make you feel good in the moment, they help your brain form positive associations, reduce stress, and even improve sleep. This creates what psychologists call a positive feedback loop. The more you practice gratitude, the more your brain scans the world for things to appreciate. And the more you find to appreciate and be grateful for, the better you feel. This is the gratitude loop, and it literally strengthens the neural pathways linked to joy and satisfaction. It's like building a mental filter, one that starts catching the good moments you used to overlook. Even tiny moments, a kind word, a good coffee, a sunny sky, become fuel for emotional well-being. And over time, that adds up to a more resilient, joyful mind. Here's how to build your own gratitude loop. 1. Start a daily gratitude journal. Write down 3 things you're grateful for, every morning or evening. If you want a simple and effective way to get started, check out the 5-minute gratitude journal. It's linked below. It helps you build daily positive habits and makes gratitude easy to stick with. 2. Be specific. Instead of saying, "I'm grateful for my job," say, "I'm grateful I had a good conversation with my colleague today." Details make the emotion more vivid and more real to your brain. 3. Express it out loud. Tell someone you appreciate them. You'll feel it too, because connection lights up the same reward pathways as gratitude. Gratitude shared is gratitude multiplied. 4. Notice the small things. Sunlight through the window, a smile from a stranger, the taste of your drink. Small joys build big happiness. And don't worry if it feels awkward at first. You're literally rewiring your brain. It gets easier and more rewarding with practice. Practicing gratitude is like training a muscle. The more you do it, the stronger it gets. And once that loop is in motion, it can change how you see everything. But here's the bigger question. What if your identity isn't fixed, but shaped, one habit at a time? In the next episode, we'll explore how habits shape your identity and how to build routines that lock in lasting change. What's one thing you're grateful for today? Update your journal. And if you'd like to share it, drop it in the comments. Thanks for watching.